I'm going to show you how to pair your Python two-way remote 7752P. So first off, you got to make sure your door is open. Put your key to the on, so make sure all the lights are on top there. Then you're going to hit the button up here once. Hold it the second time till these LED flashes. Then you'll go back to your remote on the side button. Hold the function for about 8 seconds. Once the beep happens, you'll hear it. You'll have to pass, it'll say car 1 the first time at about 3 seconds, but wait till the 8 seconds. And then you use this. You got to hit this 2 or 3 times, the top button. Then it will go to pair. It'll say pair on the screen here. Then you hit the function button once again. Then you hit the lock button. You'll hear another beep. And then you can close your door, turn it off, hit the remote start. And she's back up and running.